Hi, my name is Tim and welcome to my channel. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we have a pretty special project going on. We just got started on a high-end engineered wood floor with stairs, railings. We're doing the works, but before we can do anything else, we have to demo the old floor. We're talking about demoing tile. Now it's time for me to get my hands dirty. I got to get in there and show these young bucks exactly how to do it. I've had Joe on a chipping hammer for it feels like 5 days. I know it's only been a day and a half, but he's not making the kind of progress that he needs to. So it's time for me to step in and show these guys how to do it.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, so here is Joe on the chipping hammer. He's one of my employees. He is a hard worker and he is going to town on this tile. Except the one issue I have with what he's doing is he's not getting enough angle sometimes on the chipping hammer, and he's digging into the concrete a lot. You have to be able to feel when to stop, and keeping that angle a lot lower versus straight down is going to make a huge difference. And I wish he'd use my tile bit. It's supposed to be for thin set, but guess what? It works really good on tile, and that's what I like to use. I see he finally switched bits. Now, let's see him get a little upset with me when I want to show him how to do it the right way. Tile removal is hard work though, guys, so, you know, I can't really be too upset with him. He's doing a really good job. I'm saying, you gotta go. Yes, I will. Let's get together a bit. No, I'm just gonna show you. You asked me to show you. You asked me to show you how to do it right. I'm gonna show you. This is the only bit I ever use on tile. Now it's time to watch the boss at work, showing these younger guys how to do it. Wow, look at that. Besides being pretty to look at, this ruggedly handsome and charming guy is not afraid to get his hands dirty and get in there and show these younger guys how to remove tile. Look at me go to work on this tile. I make quick work of it. I have the hammer low, keeping it down, getting under the tiles and popping them out without damaging the concrete. And a lot of it has to do with this bit. I can't take all the credit. This tile bit will not gouge the concrete the way the regular jackhammer bit will. They say you can only use it on thin set, but guess what? You can use it on tile too. Don't let them fool you. It's what I use. Oh yeah, that's how we do it. Beast mode in there. I tore it up. I hit it. This old dog still has all the tricks left in the bag. And I got that whole area done in half the time it would have taken someone half my age. How is that possible? Maybe I am a robot. My wife makes comments and jokes around and says I'm not human sometimes. All jokes aside, the trick to getting that tile up is to get under it. And that's what I just couldn't explain to Joe, is to take that chipping hammer and you don't go straight down on it. Straight down on it, you destroy the concrete. You gotta go low, you gotta get under it, and you gotta let the chipping hammer do all the work. Just by getting under it, I popped it all out, and then I did the same thing with the thin set. And I made quick work of this room. And that is how you use a chipping hammer. Be sure to check out all the other videos that are going to be coming out in this series when we start laying this floor and of course this staircase. If you like videos like this, please help to promote our channel and help us grow by liking and sharing these videos. YouTube doesn't promote us as much as they should, so we need your help to promote these videos by liking and sharing. Sharing helps more than you realize. And also turn those notifications on so you don't miss when all these videos come out. We got some cool ones coming up really soon. Also, we're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment. We also have a PayPal link below. It's down here. Trust me, it's down here. Take a look in the description. Also, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, dunk them, I submerge them, and do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.